Hello everyone, I'm Angelica May Mendoza de Chavez and Bernadette Mendoza de Chavez, and this is my session for presentation for Chef Rico's Crispy Chicken Experiment. In this part, we analyze the data using Jamovie to find out how different marination types, frying types, and oil types affect the crispiness, flavor, and oil absorption of fried chicken. In Part 1, Completely Randomized Design or CRD, and the first experiment we tested whether the type of marination affect fried chicken quality using a one-way ANOVA. The results show a high F value and P value below 0.001, meaning there's a significant difference among the three marinades. The lemon spice marination produced the crispiest and most flavorful chicken, followed by buttermilk, while plain give the lowest score. We also checked the correlation between marination type and crispiness. The correlation coefficient was about positive 0.68, indicating that longer marination slightly improve crispiness. In short, letting the chicken soak longer help make it crunchier. In Part 2, Randomized Complete Block Design or RCBD, in the second experiment, we control for the time of frying, morning and afternoon, noon, and evening, since all freshness and temperature change during that day. A two-way ANOVA showed that both marination type and time of frying significantly affected crispiness, but the marination factor still had the stronger effect. There was no significant interaction, meaning the best marination stayed the same at any time of day. We also found a moderate positive correlation of about 0.45 between all temperature deviation and crispiness. This means slightly hotter oil tends to make chicken crispier as long as it isn't over-fried. In Part 3 or sa factorial design, 3 times 2, for the third experiment, we studied both marination type and frying oil type, olive oil and palm oil. The two-way ANOVA with interaction showed that both factor and their interaction were significant. So this means the effect of marination depends on the oils used. The best combination came from lemon spice marination fried in palm oil, giving the highest crispiness and best color. We also found a strong negative correlation about negative 0.75 between oil absorption and crispiness, meaning the crispier the chicken, the less oil it retains. So the right oil and marinade combo really matters for a lighter, crunchier bite. Thank you.